Hi friends, it's Miss Jamie here, and I just wanted to give you an update on the birds that were living in the nest on Miss Jamie's front door. The last time that we talked about the birds, there were how many eggs in Miss Jamie's nest? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 eggs in Miss Jamie's nest. It took them just longer than 1 week to turn into little birds and come out of their eggs. So, one day when Miss Jamie woke up, she went to check on the nest like she does every single day. And something special was waiting. There were 2 new babies waiting for Miss Jamie to find. So, the next day when Miss Jamie went out, there was another surprise. There was more babies, and this time there were 1, 2, 3, 4 babies. So again, Miss Jamie went out to check on the nest the next morning, and how many babies do you think were out there? There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bird babies waiting for Miss Jamie. But as much as Miss Jamie wanted to help the baby birds, she knew that if she touched them, then the baby's mother might not come back. So I didn't touch them, I just looked with my eyes, and so the birds grew. They grew and grew. And they kept on growing until they were just as big as their mommy and daddy. After about 2 weeks of Miss Jamie watching the babies grow big and strong, one day when she woke up, she saw the mommy and daddy bird standing on her mailbox asking the babies to leave the nest. It took the mommy and daddy bird about 3 days to watch and wait for the baby birds to leave the nest. But eventually, after hearing mommy and daddy call for them, they got so excited and they left the nest. And do you know what the baby birds got to do the first time that they left the nest? What do birds do in the sky? That's right. The babies got to fly for the very first time. And now, Miss Jamie was left with an empty nest. And as sad as I am to see them go, I am so happy that they got to grow up and be strong, and now they can go out with their family and start their own families. So thank you for following along with our bird story, and I can't wait to watch the caterpillars grow with you guys. So it's time for me to say goodbye for now, friends. I hope to see you all very soon. Miss Jamie misses you so much. Goodbye, everybody.